Good afternoon, Mirabel members. I'm standing in front of our new pickleball courts. We are almost ready to go. Please look for details of our grand opening celebration that will take place next Friday. Jeff Gorin and his team will be installing windscreens this coming week, and then we'll be ready to play. We can't wait. And now for your weekly construction update. The fitness center has been drywalled, one step closer. Tile is being laid in the front entrance. Decorative tile and backlit mirror brackets have been placed in the ladies' vanity area. Shelving and LED backlighting has been installed in the new wine room. The custom metal TV and glass rack has been installed in the new bar. The pickleball courts have been painted and are nearly complete. Food and beverage is off to a great start with 45 members on a Friday night. As always, we will continue to keep you posted on our progress. Please come and join us for breakfast, lunch, or dinner in the Men's Grill Tuesday through Sunday. We look forward to seeing you there. As always, please log on to our website to view our live cameras.